guys, it's me, Natalie, and today we're gonna be doing something super satisfying. We're gonna be taking this huge car and we're gonna run over 12 of the most satisfying things to crush. But hold up, this is our second video of our huge giveaway happening right now, the 12 giveaways of Christmas, the biggest giveaway happening on YouTube. Thanks to everyone who has entered, and don't forget that you can enter as many times as you like. If I were you, I would literally go down below and click the first link in the description. You can win all of these amazing goodies. Make sure you're part of the family by crushing that subscribe button, and if you've already done that, make sure you hit that little bell down below. And stick to the end to watch our Tesla crush a giant stress ball. Are you ready to get crushing? Let's do this. Like to see us crush more things like the ones we did in this video, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure you crush that subscribe button, and if you've already done that, make sure you crush that little bell like that. And stay tuned for our third video for updates on our giveaway. My social media handles are appearing right here. As always, don't forget to live weird or die normal. I'll see you next Saturday. Bye.